Here we have two chocolate croissants. This is the proof chocolatine, and of course we have a regular chocolate croissant from your typical coffee shop. Sourdough, yeasted. You can visually see the difference of what they kind of look like from the outside. We wanted to take a closer look and see what they look like on the inside. So you tell me, which one do you like better? As far as taste goes, let's give them a try. No crispiness, no crunch, pretty dense and kind of just bready with chocolate flavor, but that's really all I taste. I don't really taste much of the croissant at all. It's mostly just chocolate with bread flavor, slight bread flavor. Let's give the proof chocolatine a try. Much lighter, a lot more flaky, a lot more flavorful. Better chocolate flavor, but also complemented by just a better croissant flavor. It doesn't have the mushiness of this one. Really light, really flaky, all around really, really nice. And of course, the proof one is 100% sourdough, where this, who knows the ingredients, I'm not sure. But the proof chocolatine, simple ingredients, basic. Got your flour, water, salt, butter, some sourdough starter, a little bit of sugar. Really, really nice. Look at all the flakiness. So many flakes. Just falls apart in a good way. This one, it's not flaky at all, nothing. Nothing to flake apart. It's just kind of, like I said, doughy, bready. Look at those layers. Just incredible.